Kindergarten open house will be coming up in February, and we have a chance for all of the incoming kindergartners for next year to come in and meet the kindergarten teachers here at school and take a tour of the building so that they will be familiar with the faces and places of their new school next year.
Kindergarten is so important because it builds our foundation for learning and it builds the children's love of school. They are learning so much and growing so much in kindergarten. We're learning how to read, we're learning how to do math, we are learning basic skills of how to be at school, how to be a good friend, how to handle our feelings and interactions with each other. And it's just so important to build that foundation to be successful for the rest of their school career. I have seen my kids grow in all areas this year. I've seen them grow academically, I've seen them grow emotionally, and I've seen them grow as little humans and as friends. They have already learned so much, and I see such a huge improvement in growth from the beginning of the year to even now in January.
Students and families will be able to come in, tour the school, meet their teachers, start getting excited about the upcoming year in kindergarten. August will be here before we know it for the start of school. It's an opportunity for parents to ask questions, complete that paperwork that's vital so that we have the information we need to establish that enrollment process, begin setting those classes, and getting ready for the coming school year.